everyone, welcome to emailclick.com. Today I will be showing you how to set up an email campaign, okay? So now we've set up a template, which is the first thing we have to do in the process. And what we're going to do is go to the menu here and scroll down to campaigns. Then we go to my email campaigns, okay? So what we're going to do here is create a campaign, and we can either do a sequence or an instant campaign. We're going to choose instant campaign for this demonstration. And then what we're going to do is choose the campaign name. I'm going to select marketers. And then what I want to do is I would choose my list. Now this is the only list I have here, so there's not multiples that I can choose from. So I'm going to select the marketers list. And then I'm going to select my username. Remember, you can put unlimited users in here for your organization. And then it's going to say delay between emails. So I want to just set that between 5 and 10 seconds. Okay. And I'm going to leave this space empty. I can actually schedule the day and time that I want to select the emails to send. I'm going to leave that empty so it can send anytime. And start now. Okay. So now I want to scroll down and I want to be able to track clicks and track opens. And then I'm going to come down here to select my time zone, which I am in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. I'm going to limit my emails while warming up my email campaign to 50 per day. I would suggest you do that for approximately 1.5 to 2 weeks on any new email. Then I'm going to select the template. I've created a template prior to this video, and it's called Marketer's Email Template. After I selected the template, it says, do I want to move the prospects from the list as they are converted or opened? And I'm going to just keep it, do not move the prospect. Now I'm going to update the configuration of this campaign, and the campaign is completed and ready to start. Now you'd simply just hit Start Campaign, and the email will start sending to contacts inside the list. Thanks for watching.